So welcome back. In the last lecture we have seen how to set up the initial configuration to make our Appium scripts run, right? So this is the one what we have done. So just if you recap once, we have told the platform name, device name, and where exactly our app lies. I have copied and pasted that particular app APK file in my project level under the source folder, and I have given that absolute path. Okay, it's very simple. So now capability object have everything about the session details. Now that I am passing as an argument into Android driver. So Android driver take two arguments. Number one, where exactly our Appium server lies. Okay, we should provide the information where the Appium is lying. And next, what parameter you need to pass to that Appium server to understand that what session need to be invoked. Okay, so this is the basic steps what you need to do. Now let's invoke book my show app and see how it's working on Android emulator device. Okay, this is our device. With this script, if I run this, so code should get invoked here. Okay, let me close this. So before that, one step we are missing. Can you guess what it is? We need to start Appium server. Without starting Appium server, if you run the script, it will definitely fail. For example, if I say run as, right click here, or if you right click on the editor and say run as, it says JUnit test, click on it. Let's see what result it gives. See that it failed because it says, can you read the message here? Unreachable browser exception, could not start a new session. Possible causes are invalid address of the remote server, because we are yet to start the remote server. The session itself did not start. Okay, if the mechanism here is Appium server will be running on this port number. Whenever you send capabilities to that, Appium understands and does that in the mobile device. But if server itself is not there, where you are actually sending your capability object. So for that, remember we have downloaded in the section 2 Appium server. So go to that Appium server. Okay, in that open this. I have shown you in the initial sections. Okay, once you open this is the UI of the Appium server. So as I told you before, we are working on the latest version, and this is the proof, update not available. That means we are up to date. I have downloaded up to date version of the Appium which released just week ago, and I have done R&D on that, and I started teaching in this. So right, this is a server. To start the server, you need to click on this link, launch the Appium node server. So start the server and you see the console, starting node server. So Appium have very good console because their debugging is very good. So whenever you run the script, you actually can see the logs and understand what exactly is happening backend. If the script fails also, you will have a proper documentation here in the server. Right, server started on a platform Android, because we have 18th version I have downloaded, and automation name, this is an Appium. These are the basic and default capabilities. Now we are selling some more capabilities here, saying that I am running on the Android emulator and this is my app. Okay, right, let me run now. So what all I did now, I am just invoking app, that's all, because I did not perform any operation. I am just sending capabilities object. So whenever Appium receives it, it understands, okay, there is something called book my show, and it just invoke that, that's all. Because right now I am not performing any UI operations on that, to clicking on link, a button, something like that. This is just launching, that's all. Now right click, run as JUnit test, and open this both, and here keep it a parallel side and see what happening. Read the logs, make a habit of reading the logs, you will clearly understand. So what it is saying, parsing package and activity from app manifest, checking whether app is present. If it is not present, it will download for us. It will install for us from that APK, whatever I have provided link there. From there, it will install APK into my mobile device. So okay, come down, what happening? Pushing unlock helper app to device. So if the emulator is already locked, it will open the lock. So this is our emulator. Okay, in last section we have seen this. It just resembles as an Android mobile, that's all. So to teach, I cannot show you real device, right? So that's why I have created emulated device here and I am showing this. However, I can show you one script on a real device if time permits. You can see that something is getting opened. Yeah, book my show app. Can you see that? Right side in the red color. So Appium successfully invoke book my show app here. So that's it. So yeah, this is a home page. Login. I'll skip. Cool. So we are able to successfully invoke app from Android emulator device with the help of Appium programming language. That's nothing but Selenium 3.0. Cool. So we are good to go. We are able to invoke the app here. Right. So that means 50% of work is done. As I told you in the previous sections, installing Android, Eclipse, setting up Appium in machine, writing this setup part, capabilities, starting the server and making it to run, that is all not 50%, 75% challenge. If we are able to achieve this, that's all. The remaining thing is just you can go like that. Okay, so that's not big deal. So coming classes, I'll show you how to automate the buttons, links, validations and all. Okay, yeah. So from the next section, now I have shown you here, where is that book my show? Let me click here. The app got installed, right? But it will be little slow, we have to bear. Okay, so it's not good to automate a test in our real devices. So better we have usage of emulator. So my next step is I need to click on this login button and I want to skip this. So how do you click on that login button? How do you get the objects? That all we'll see in the coming sections. So yeah, that's it about this section. So in the next we'll see how to identify objects. Thank you.